Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Smart IP camera by Zosi. They sent me this camera free of charge to review. We'll get into the video to see the results. This review, I've just put it up in the shed. It won't be here. This won't be its home, but for the video, this is where I've put it. And so this camera, it is PoE, but I haven't got a PoE switch. So I'm gonna run the power cable from here and the Ethernet cable all the way over to this switch here, which this cable goes underground and then back up to my network rack in the house.
Device is waiting to connect. Cable connection succeed.
I have the camera power source connected and the Ethernet cable that goes back to the switch. Now you obviously wouldn't have this set up like this for real, but for this video, this is how it's set up. So now that the camera is connected to the network, we have now downloaded the Zosi app to get the camera connected so we can view the camera recording and its motions, and so we can do other cool stuff which we'll do in this little recording. This camera has voice technology, so you can do this through the app when you talking to the microphone, and it relays that to the camera. And also has a cool little feature so you can move the camera remotely from your phone. And we'll also do a few quality shots of the camera to test how good it is. Is the IP Smart Camera 2965. I've just unboxed it. It just comes with your standard mount guide and instruction manual and all your bits and pieces. But here it is. It's a very, in person, it's a very big looking camera. Obviously mounted up, compared to a dome camera or a bullet camera, it's a lot bigger. But as far as the quality of the actual footage and how it operates, it does a very, very, very good job. The installation and the setup, very simple, very easy, and anyone can do it. Connect it to your network, search it on the app, your device, add it, and it's done. I would recommend this camera to people and customers, and I recommend the company Zosi Technology, CCTV Home Security. They do a fantastic job, and again, they sent me this for free to review for you guys. So if you're looking for a security system, I do recommend this company. Everything will be linked in the description below, and I was not paid for this. This is in my own words and what I think of the actual company and their products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.